Ever wonder how companies import goods without paying taxes immediately? It all happens inside a bonded warehouse. Let's look at how it works. A bonded warehouse is a secured area where imported goods are stored, manipulated, or undergo manufacturing without paying customs duties. The biggest advantage is cash flow. You don't pay the government a cent in import taxes until the product actually leaves the warehouse. Businesses use these to manage inventory costs, avoid paying taxes on goods destined for other countries, and keep products close to the market. Unlike a standard warehouse where you pay duties the moment goods hit the port, a bonded facility acts like a tax-free holding zone. By deferring those payments, businesses can significantly reduce their immediate cash outlay, which is critical for scaling international operations. Think of it as a strategic tool for logistics, allowing companies to delay tax bills until they have actually sold the items to customers. Understanding these logistics basics helps you grasp how global supply chains stay profitable. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button.